Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics. Make sure your Proton VPN subscription is active and that you have the right username and password. Once done, update your operating system and reboot. This clears transient network issues. Next, disable other VPN clients and firewall rules that might interfere because multiple tunnel drivers can conflict. While you prepare, note the Proton app version and where logs are stored. These details speed diagnosis and let you follow the only way to systematically restore a stable VPN connection. You now dive into the complex fixes. Start by exporting and then resetting the Proton app settings, or perform a full uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupt configs. Make sure to flush DNS and reset network adapters. On Windows, reinstall the TAP or Winton driver because driver mismatches are common culprits. While reinstalling, run the app as administrator and enable detailed logging. Then, examine the saved logs for timestamps, error codes, and whether TCP or UDP transport is failing, so you can target the root cause accurately. To finish, test connections to several Proton servers and try both UDP and TCP. Switch to TCP when UDP drops packets, because TCP is more forgiving on unstable networks. Make sure the app's kill switch is off until you confirm a stable connection, then enable it for safety. Finally, if issues persist, compile the app logs, note OS and app versions, and contact Proton support. If they ask, include timestamps and error codes so technicians can reproduce and resolve the remaining problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.